Sum of n terms of an AP. Side heading. Then below that, S is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term plus last term. If first term and last term is given, we want to apply this formula. Then one more formula, S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This can also be written as S is equal to n by 2 into first term. How can we represent first term? First term as a, no? A plus last term, first letter is L. So a plus L. Either this or this one. First term plus last term, that is enough. First term plus last term, then second formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Exercise 10C. First one, find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, negative 2. 8, 3, negative 2, etc. Find the sum of first 22 terms. So here, n is equal to what?
22.
22. A is equal to
8.
8. Common difference, B is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 3 minus 8, which is equal to negative 5. Which formula we want to apply? We want to find out yes.
Sn equal.
Yes, 22 we want to find out. No? Sum of 22 terms. So S22 we want to find out. So we have the formula Sn is equal to which formula we want to apply? N by 2
n by
into
2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
5. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Only we are applying this formula. Why we are not applying first term plus last term?
Last term did
Because
not
we
give.
don't have the last term.
We don't have the last term, so we are applying the second formula. So S22, Sn. So instead of n, we can replace it as what? 22. So Sn, S22 is equal to n by 2. n by 2 means
by 2.
22 by 2 into
2 into 8.
2 into 8. 2a means 2 into a is 8. 2a plus
22 minus 1.
n is 22. So 22 minus 1 into d. D is
5.
d is equal to 5. Negative 5, no?
Yes,
Negative 5 you should write. Close the square bracket. Into negative 5. So 22 and 2 we can cancel. 11 times, no? 11 into then 2 into 8. 16 plus 22 minus 1 is what? 21 into negative 5 equal to S22 is equal to 11, then 16 plus and minus, no? So positive 21 into negative 5 is 2. Positive 21 into negative 5. Sign will be positive or negative. Negative into positive is what? Multiply.
Negative.
Negative. Then 5 into 1, 5. 5 2s are 10. So S22 is equal to 11 into 16 minus 105. One sign is positive and other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So 105 minus 16 is what? Then put greater number sign. Negative
89.
Negative 89. So S22 is equal to 11 into negative 89. So one sign is positive. Positive into negative is negative 89 into 11. Answer
979.
979.
979. So S22, sum of 22 terms of this AP is what? Negative 979. ഇത് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താ? ഇത് എക്സെട്ര 8, 3, -2, എക്സെട്ര അങ്ങനെ പോയി 22 ടേംസ് കോമ ഇട്ടിട്ട് എണ്ണി നോക്കിയാൽ 22 ടേംസ് എല്ലാം കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസർ ആണ് എന്ത്? negative 979 എന്ന് വരുന്നത്. അതാണ് അത് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? കുറെ എണ്ണം നമ്മൾ 1, 2, 3, 4 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ 5 നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യില്ലേ, അതുപോലെ ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള AP ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ അങ്ങനെ 22 ടേംസ്, ഒരുപാടല്ല, 22 എണ്ണങ്ങൾ അടുത്ത നമ്പർ വരും. അങ്ങനെ 1, 2, 3 എക്സിട്ര എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ 22 വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. അതാണ് ലാസ്റ്റ് ടേം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ അത്രയും എണ്ണം ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസർ ആണ് negative 979. അതാണ് ഇത് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഡൗട്ട് ഇല്ലല്ലോ? ഗോട്ട്. Okay. Any doubt in this first question?
No, man.
Can we do the second one? Do the second one. Second start. Second one. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18, etc. must be taken so that the sum is 78? How many terms? So n we want to find out. N is equal to question mark. AP is 24, 21, 18, etc. Therefore, A is equal to, from here, A is equal to 24, B is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 21 minus 24, that is B is equal to negative 3. So that the sum is 78. So Sn, sum is 78 means Sn is 78. Sn is equal to 78. We want to find out n. So formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn, we can replace it as 78. N we don't know, n we want to find out. So let it be n by 2 itself. N by 2 into 2 into a is 24. 2 into 24 plus n minus 1, that is n we want to find out. So n minus 1 into d is into negative 3. Into negative 3. So 78 is equal to n by 2 into 24 is what? 48. Then we can take this minus friend, then minus 3 into n minus 1. For your convenience, I'm writing like this. If you can do directly, you can do. Okay. Then 48. Then plus and minus together means we can write it as minus. Then 3 into n minus 1. Check each step whether you are writing or not. N by 2 into 48. Change the brackets. Minus 3n plus 3. Up to this understood or not? Find out. So 48 plus 3. 78 is equal to n by 2 into 48 plus 3 is what? 51 minus 3n. Next step, what we want to do? Can we take this 2 to the left side? So it will be, if we take this right side 2, denominator 2 to the left side,
Multiply.
it will be into, no, we want to multiply, changing the position. So 2 into 78 is equal to, any doubt in this step? Right side here, denominator 2, divided by 2 ആണ്. അത് ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ അത് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആയി മാറും. മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ അടുത്ത സൈഡിലേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ ഡിവിഷൻ ആവുന്നത് പോലെ പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് ആവും, മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് ആവും. അതുപോലെ ഡിവിഷൻ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആവും, മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഡിവിഷൻ ആവും. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 2 ആണ്, അത് ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ അത് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആയി മാറും. അപ്പൊ ഇൻറ്റു 2 ആണ്. Then remaining 2 ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പോയി. Then remaining n മാത്രം. n into 51 minus 3n. Any doubt? Then next change the brackets. Yeah. Then 78 into 2 is what? 156 is equal to, change the bracket. So it will be 51n then minus 3n square. What is this? Banging chapter. Banking chapter, quadratic equations, same chapters. So 156. Then minus 51n plus 3n square is equal to 0. So rearrange this in quadratic form. So 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Quadratic in n. So dash into dash should be what? Think. Okay, dividing throughout by 3. So it will be, write down, dividing throughout by 3. So it will be what? If needed, write this step. 3n square by 3 minus 51n by 3 plus 156 divided by 3 is equal to 0. No need of this step. Directly you can write means no need of this step. If you need this, write. Then n square.
N square minus 17n plus
Minus
52.
17n plus
52.
52 is equal to 0. So after this, write this step. Okay. ഇത് വേണമെന്നില്ല. ഇത് വർക്കിംഗ് കോളത്തിൽ ചെയ്താലും മതി, അറിയാത്തവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി എഴുതി വെച്ചോളൂ. So n square minus 117n plus 52 is equal to 0. Then what? Dash into dash should be 52. Now, if you add or subtract, we want to get it as 17. Dash into dash is equal to positive 52 and we want to get negative 17. So this negative 17 and 17 again we want to split. So which are the two numbers? So okay, I got the message. Then others, I'm not telling the answer. Tell me. Boys. 14 into
3.
3 possible. So 14 plus 3 is how we can get 14 plus 3 is equal to negative 17. We need negative 17, no. So which 14 we want to? Positive 14 or negative 14?
Negative 14 into 3, negative 3.
Negative 14 into negative 3. So negative into negative, positive 52. Then 14. Negative 14 same, no? Negative 14 minus 3 is equal to negative 17. So negative 17 we can split. So we can write n square. Negative 17 we can write it as negative 14. Correct or wrong? Negative 14n minus 3n plus 52. Possible or not? Check it. Find the answer. 14 into 3 is what? 42 only. We want to get 52. So which are the two numbers? Tell me. This is wrong now. Can we write 13 into 4? Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Negative 13 minus 4 is equal to negative 17 and here 52. So this is wrong. We can't write. It's 42 only. 14 into 3 is 42 only. So 13 into 4 is 52. Okay. So negative 17 and we can split as what? Negative 13n minus 4n. That is the correct answer. From here, take n common, n minus 13. Then here, n minus 13. So it will be negative 4 is equal to 0. So n minus 13 into balance n minus 4 is equal to 0. Ninth portion, factorization. N minus 13 is equal to 0 or n minus 4 is equal to 0. Write properly, okay? N minus 13 is equal to 0. That means n is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. Therefore, the number of terms are, how many terms are there? Therefore, the number of terms are 13 or 4. Therefore, the number of terms are 13 or 4. 13 or 4. Okay, thank you.